And if you go on a higher level, that is the 13th point, is the Ummah should be united.
Right.
And the Ummah is not, if we are united like how we were previously in the Caliphate. Therefore, when I went to Sokoto, I was happy. At least Sokoto has a Caliphate. Maybe only Sokoto. But we are talking about the Caliphate of the full Ummah.
Right.
So if we have a Caliphate, like a Khalifa like before, then we'll be united and they will not be able to play around with us.
Right.
And if we have like how they have Interpol, International Police, we should have Islampol, Islamic Police.
Right.
How they have a NATO, you know NATO? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. I'm coming to politics.
Right.
Why don't we have a MUCTO, Muslim Countries Treaty Organization?
Okay.
The NATO says, now there are 30 members or 31 members. If you attack any one of the countries as though you're attacking all 31 countries together. So why don't we Muslims get together and the 57 Muslim countries get together and say, if you attack any one of the Muslim countries as though you're attacking all the Muslim majority countries. If we can do that, that will be wonderful.